Good morning, students. Welcome to the literature class. I hope you are fine over there. We were discussing in our literature uh, about the selfish giant. I have told the story in my own words and then hope you might remember some of the things that I have told. Now, in detail, we will read and discuss what is written in the lesson, whether what I told the story of selfish giant is there in the lesson or not. And so please open page number 122-23, selfish giant, and how this selfish giant changed his mind and became very good giant, a loving giant. What made him change? All these things we are going to discuss today. It says that every afternoon they were coming from school. The children, who are they? They are means children, used to play in giant's garden. Giant had, in the picture just you see, there is a castle. See the castle, how the castle is built. It's not the usual building. Castle is not a usual building. See that how it is built. Okay. This type of building is known as castle. It is usually built in the higher ground or on the mountains, on the hills, so that they don't have to fill the mud so much. Okay, so that is what. So this type of construction of building is known as castle. So, and in front of that there are garden, beautiful garden, and so this is that children are playing. So every afternoon children used to come and play in giant's garden. It was a large, lovely garden with soft grass. Here and there over the grass stood beautiful flowers like stars in the sky. And there were 12 peach trees. 12 peach trees were there. That in the springtime broke out into delicate blossom of pink and pearl, and in the autumn bore the rich fruit. So in the spring they gave the flower, and in autumn they gave the fruits. And the birds sat on them and sang sweetly. That children used to stop their games in order to listen to the birds singing. How happy we are here! Children cried. They cried. One day, giant came. When children were playing, when giant came, he had been to visit his friend. So one day he came. From where did he come? He had gone to visit his friend and remained with his friend, talking, conversing. How many years? 7 years. So after 7 years, when he comes home, then he finds that these children are playing in his garden. He got angry and with grunnish, oh, Juan, and had stayed with him 7 years. And so after 7 years he comes and then he shouts at the children. Okay, after 7 years were over, he had said all that he had to say to his friend. Conversation was limited and then ended, and he determined to return to his own castle. When he arrived, he saw children playing in the garden. "What are you doing here?" he cried in very gruff voice, and the children ran away out of fear. "This is my garden," he said, "and I will not allow anybody to play in it but myself. I will play. You should not come." And so he built a high wall to prevent the children coming to play in the garden. He built a wall, tall, high walls, and put a notice board. Not only build the walls, he also put the notice board which read, "Trespassers will be prosecuted," meaning all those who do mistake, those who will make mistake to come inside the garden, will be persecuted, will be punished, will be punished. He was a very selfish giant, and so he said. Now this question, for example, can the children be called trespassers in this situation? Not at all. I will say they are not trespassers. They are not doing something wrong. They are not stealing away. They are not plucking the flowers and taking away. They are not plucking the fruits and then eating up. Just they are enjoying with the birds, the flowers among the trees. And they are happy, they are happy. So, but then he was selfish, so he said he did not see, he was not able to bear the happiness of the children playing in his own garden. The poor children had now nowhere to play. They had no garden, no ground where they could play after their schooling. They tried to play on the road, but roads were very dusty and full of hard stones. And so they didn't like it. They used to wander around the high walls, move around the walls outside when their lessons were over, and talked about beautiful garden inside. How happy we were there, they said to each other. In the garden we enjoyed, but now we are not enjoying. Then comes the spring, and all over the country there were little blossoms and little birds singing. Only in the garden of selfish giant there were no flowers. Still winter had not come. Birds did not come to scare, did not come to sing in the garden. Because there were no children. And the trees forgotten to blossom. There were no children. Once a beautiful flower put its head from out of the grass, but when he saw the notice board, trespassers will be persecuted, he went down and she went down again, slipped back into the garden again and went off to sleep. The only people who were pleased were the snow and the frost. Spring had forgotten this garden, forgot where to come. They cried, "So we will live here all the year around." Who were crying? Snow and frost. The snow covered up the grass with her great white cloak. White cloak means everywhere there was snow. So it is written cloak. Cloak is a big sheet of covering, big covering from the shoulder to the ankle, a long cloth covering. That is called cloak. And the frost painted all the trees with silver. Frost covered the trees with the silver. They painted. Then they invited the north wind to stay with them. So there were three people. Who were there? Snow, frost, and north wind. He was wrapped in furs and rode with all the day about the garden and blew the chimney pot down. Everything fell down. And so they were there. They were enjoying. But children were not enjoying. So this beautiful spot, he said, we must ask the hail to come. They wanted hail also to come. So once hail also came. You know what is hail? Hailstone. When it rains, hailstone falls. The ice falls like a stone, pebbles it falls. And you enjoy collecting and putting in your eyes. Very, very cool. Usually at the beginning of the monsoon season, or in the summer season when it rains, summer rain. With that, when it rains, surely the ice falls there. So that is called hail. Every day for 3 hours he rattled on the roof of the castle till he broke most of the slates. And then he ran round the garden as fast as he could. He was dressed in grey and the breath was icy, very, very cold. I cannot understand why the spring is not so late in coming. Selfish giant said, why spring is not coming? What is the reason? As he sat at the window and looked out at his cold white garden, I hope there will be change in the weather. He was just hoping, but spring was late. But the spring never came, nor the summer. The autumn gave golden fruits every garden, but to the giant's garden, not. None. None means not even one. He is too selfish, she said. Who said? Spring said. And the north wind and the hail and the frost and the snow danced about throughout the garden. So this is what we are seeing. So they were dancing. Now how it changes? How it changes? If there is any difficult things in the live class, next live class, please ask me. Okay, so better underline the difficult words so that you will ask me and I will give you the explain to them and give the meaning also. Okay, then keep reading till we meet in the next video and the live class.